Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my corn and black bean salad. Okay, so this is a very simple and easy recipe. The first thing you're going to need is 1 can of black beans, and I'm going to drain it and rinse it really well. It was funny because after I poured it out, I realized this beans doesn't even look black. It looked more like red beans. Next, you're going to need 1 can of sweet corn, and I just drained that. You are going to need 1 can of diced green chilies. I got scared and had to move it around a little bit because I was afraid it was going to fall out of the bowl. Next, you're going to need half cup of your favorite store-bought salsa, and I'm just using a medium chunky style salsa. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of diced onion, a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, and the very last thing is the juice from half of a lime. That just adds freshness and brightness to this salad. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. I just love this salad. I eat it as a side or sometimes eat it as a dip, but it's just so refreshing right now, especially since it's so hot outside. I don't know about you, but I eat according to the weather. So as the season changes, the food I eat changes. Do you guys do that? After you mix everything really well together, you're going to cover it with a piece of plastic wrap and put it in the fridge. And I let this sit at least 2 hours before I serve it. So this is it after a couple of hours, and I just like to give it a stir before I serve it. And I'm going to eat it with some chips right now just because that's how I want it. But then eventually later on we're going to have it as a side. But you can have it however you want. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories over there, so come follow me. I can't get over how these black beans look red. I mean, the can said black beans, but this clearly look like red beans. I don't know what kind of black beans them people use. This is just so refreshing, and it just tastes like summer. It's so fresh and it's just so good. Well, I really hope you like this one, and if you decide to try this recipe, please come back and let me know what you think. Let me know how you serve it. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.